Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? So it's another live trading session, and I was actually planning to stream this on YouTube earlier today. That was what I was trying to set up. That's why I came late. So apologies for coming late today. I came like 4 minutes late, right? And I think that also kind of helped bring a lot of people on board. You know, normally we used to wait for you guys to join us, but today it seems like everybody came on board and we're just gonna rumble together right now. So first of all, we're gonna be kicking off with our YouTube channel. So guys, you can see we're still below 44 subscribers. So if you're on this call and you've not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe right now. I will pick out random. As a matter of fact, we're gonna do it right here on this, doing a live session like this. If you can cross above 200, YouTube will take charge of the rest. Okay, they will recommend it to people. You understand, and then the whole thing can now come in gradually from there. But we need much people as a subscriber. So I'm gonna do a giveaway, and I really want every one of you to be part of it. Okay, let's just say I don't teach the fluky stuff. Okay, if it's not working, there's no point in me telling you that it does work. It is working because I have the results that I keep showing you since we started this live session in June. So we're moving to this page right now. We started this session in June. As you can see, this is the current trade I have running right now. And you can see I only have stop loss set. I don't have take profit yet. And some of you might imagine like, why are you trading so small? Okay. That's because my account is also so small. I'm only trading a $5,000 account. I started with $5,000. And right now it is up around 18%, okay, which is like $941 profit after paying an interest, maybe charging the swap charges and all of over $40. Okay, so I'm up $941. And what's it called again? Daily gain, my daily gain is around 0.1%, and monthly gain is roughly averagely 3.9%. Okay, so far. So I think this by the end of this month, this will probably just come down a little bit. And you can see my drawdown. The highest drawdown I've ever seen so far is 5%. Okay, that is the highest drawdown. And that's why I like it like that. Okay, I like a very small drawdown and a much better reward. Okay, I hope you can all hear me and you can see the screen very well. So moving forward, okay, this is how far we've done this week. Sorry, this month so far. And you can see it's quite small, right? It is small because the market has been quite slow. The USD CAD trade is quite slow. I mean, I only pick one USD CAD trade and I closed it quite early. USCHF has been very, very slow for us, but it's the only trade I've been able to pick like multiple of it. USD JPY, I only also picked just one trade. So totally this week so far, I've only picked 4 trades. Okay. This month, excuse me, I kept on saying this week. This month so far, I've only picked 4 different trades: USD CAD, NZD USD, USCHF, and USD JPY. On these accounts, okay, don't forget, I have a couple of accounts. I just spread the trades on all of them across board. Okay, so that is what I'm trying to say right now. So because the market has been quite slow, and I will show that to you later, I kept on saying that. I'll show that to you, don't worry. And we see why it is all slow. Is it 5%? Yes, 5% of the account. Of course, it's 5% of the account, not 5% of, I don't know which other thing is it gonna be? So my drawdown is 5% of my 5K account. That's it. Drawdown for the past, that's my highest drawdown so far. It's just 5% of my account. Why? Because I risked just 0.5%, okay, to 1% of my account. So when you calculate everything together, my maximum drawdown so far is what is 5% of my account, which is $250 basically. Yes, you can say that. So moving forward, okay, I think we are done here. I have 2 trades running. I have USCHF buy, okay, and I have NZD USD sell. All right, those are the 2 trades I have running right now. I think NZD USD is quite close to stop loss, to my trading stop. All right, I'll see if I can share that with you on my MetaTrader. We'll get into that. We'll get into that in a few minutes. All right, and then I guess that is all. That's all I have to show for now on my account. All right, so now let's talk about technicals. All right, so moving forward, as you can see right here, we have DXY doing amazingly well. All right, you can see the movement started something around the 30th of September which is last month, and then it never really turned its way back since then. However, I'm forecasting that this particular structure right at the top here, let me go ahead and figure the price out. All right. So what is the price? What is the coordinates? So which is around 104. Okay. It's around 104.58, 0.058. That area might pose as a challenge, just a little bit of a challenge before the market actually drop or even move further to the upside. Okay, there is a possibility of what there's a possibility of market taking a break right at the top here. Okay, on DXY, there is a little break. Although right now it seems to be coming down gradually. So if this works out like this, maybe we have a flag pattern right here, and the market just, bolted out and just jumped up. That would be a very good one because our trade like UJ trade will do well, USD CHF will do well, NZD USD that is currently in the drawdown will do well, and pound dollar actually closed us out in loss this morning. Why? Because of the retail sales data that came out this morning. I mean, it is just written on the wall right there. And then we have euro dollar trade, we also do well, and Aussie dollar trade, we also do well. We'll get into all of that later. But we are waiting for what? The continuation of a strong dollar. Okay, the continuation of what? The continuation of a strong dollar. So let's pay very close attention to this. Provided that the market, or let's say provided that dollar failed to break below here. Okay, for a starter, let's pray. Let's hope that dollar failed to break below here. As a matter of fact, I can as well just dip even lower. Okay, you can as well dip lower and do something like this, and then probably go up. But there's so many things that could happen at the top here. And let me see if I can draw that out for you. Let me put that in a very simple perspective. Right. So right here we have a little bit of a shoulder right here, but it's not yet a shoulder. Okay, we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. If the market proceeds to move, give us a new higher high, then I would say the market is still bullish. However, that's the first phase or the first part at which the market can play out today, meaning the market can give us a new higher high. Secondly, if the market break below here and pull back, all right, probably give us a new higher high, but tap this previous low, come back to grab some momentum right here or grab some liquidity before it fly, that is also a possibility of a new higher high. All right, that means we have two possibilities right now, isn't it? Yes. Now, another possibility is the market could as well just come back here, grab the liquidity, whatever it wants to do, pull back a little bit to this previous hanger. You can see we have an anchor here, which was previous higher high before the market broke the structure and gave us higher high right at the top here. Don't forget where I'm by higher high. When the market moves up from higher high, higher low in a bullish trend, by the way, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? So when the market break at this junction, this is what we call break of structure. Okay, the market break that structure right at the top here also, right here, the market break structure. Okay, so now we have a new higher low right here. If the market went back up and break this other structure also, we have the same thing right here. So that's what I'm saying. So there's always higher high before the market break it. Okay, so the same thing is happening right here. There's higher high here, there's higher high here. So the first phase is if you get a new higher high at the top here, the market will break it right here. We have a break of structure. But if that's not the case and the market dip down, come back here to grab some liquidity, all right, and then bounce up all the way to the top, form a new higher high, meaning that this higher high is still there, but the market is just breaking it to make a new higher high. You're still going to call this what? Break of structure, just a much deeper pullback, okay, as the case may be. However, now listen to me. This is the third part that I'm also waiting for. However, if the market comes down here, grab all this liquidity, pull back to this anchor, which is also standing as the previous higher high. All right. I just clarify that with these graphs right here. Pull back to this higher high and then drop down. Now we have a pattern. A what? A reversal chart pattern. Okay. For people that join my intermediate session, we call it RCP, a reversal chart pattern. Okay, we have something we call head and shoulder pattern. These are left shoulder, these are right shoulder, and these are head right here. Okay, and that is the reversal pattern. So if we see something like this, then we will be ready to take a what? To take a sell trade on DXY moving forward, because all we have to anticipate for, let me delete all of this. I think we don't need it anymore. All right. All we have to wait for moving forward is just what? Is just the market pull to the downside. Okay. Push to the downside and push to the downside. It's as simple as that. Meaning the market is done, being bullish, and now it's about to do what? To become bearish. Some of you might know this to be what? CHOCH. change of character or change of trend or change of what market structure. Whatever you call it, it's still the same thing as reversal chart pattern. All right. I think we've clarified that in one of our sessions also during the intermediate class. So this is a possibility on DXY. I used to love it when we just stick to sharing signals on this call, but no, we still have to educate each other. And that's why this session is very interesting that even if you don't attend my training session, just attending this session alone can give you an oversight and a little bit of a training guide, honestly. So I just explained a whole lot about chart pattern, reversal chart pattern right now, under 5 minutes. I just explained that. So moving forward, so those are the possibilities for this. But until, all right, until this particular level is broken, I'm still going to keep my eyes on the horizon. I'm still anticipating for the market to do what? To continue to go up, because I don't know what's going to happen at the right side of the market. Nobody knows. Nobody knows what's going to happen in the next 1 hour. If anybody tell you that, it's only deceiving you. Not a single person knows. So that is my plan. I would love to see the market continue to go up on DXY as the case may be. But if it's the other way around and the market break below here, okay, there's still some play at the bottom here. Okay, the market can continue to break up or do what? It might just come here and push down. The same thing that happened to USD CHF and USD CAD, especially USD CAD. I will go back there and explain to you exactly what we have here. All right, I'm going to show that to you in a few minutes. So let's move on. So moving on from from USD index, from dollar index to USD JPY. So now dollar yen, we took a buy on dollar yen, and so far so good. Dollar yen is doing well, and we took this trade, I think yesterday, no, on Wednesday, during a live trading session on Wednesday evening. I'm not sure what news it was, but I think it was during the yes, I can remember right now. It was during the ECB data when we had the yes, where is it? On Wednesday, right? No, it should be on Tuesday when we had the Canadian dollar and then Empire Index. Yes, Empire State Index. That is exactly what I'm saying. So when we had the Canadian dollar, what's it called again? When we had the Canadian dollar CPI data, that's when I forecasted this USD JPY new buy right here. And the video is already on YouTube. If you want to call me a liar, just go ahead and watch this YouTube video. You will see it yourself over there. Okay, just go ahead. This particular one, okay, live news trading, CAD CPI live trading. Just go ahead and watch it. You can, and come back and tell me, no, that was at the time. Everything I've ever done, every trade call I've ever picked, that we've ever picked together, it's all recorded and it's been published. So you can, you can cut me in a live. It's recorded on a live session. This is not a replay. This is live, and that's a very delicate thing. So many people don't do, okay, because when you call a trade, that is where you want the market to go to. And when the market doesn't go there, people will just tend to call you a bad trader. But that's the kind of exposure I don't mind opening myself to. Not many people can do that. That's why they say talk is cheap. It's easier to train people. Okay, do this, but let's do it together. Let's trade together is very hard. And that's why many people don't do it. Many people don't do it. And some that even do it, they will probably during the news. That's when they will call trade for you. When the market is slow like this is a very slow moving market. Okay. So that's what I'm saying. All right. That is what differentiates some of us from some of us. Moving forward. So USD JPY, there's nothing to actually talk about over here other than just to hold on to this trade, this buy trade, and see how far where it's gonna lead us. I'm still leaning towards the top right here. That's where I'm leaning to. I want to see the market just get to that top, give us that big profit, and then we're happy for the rest of our lives. I'm just kidding. But definitely we're going to be happy. At least if it doesn't happen today, if this TP doesn't get triggered today, at least if you can get the market to come to the top here, that will be fine. All right. That will be very, very fine, isn't it? That will be very brilliant. So good. USD JPY, let's keep holding it for as long as possible. And moving forward to USD CHF. USD CHF also kind of like came all the way back to a little bit of a loss this morning. Okay, during the Asian market, it came a little bit down to loss. And right now it is back to the top. So we are still holding on to this for as long as possible. I can't remember when we called this trade. I think we called this trade yesterday. Yes, we did yesterday. That was 17th of October. So what happened 17th of October? Was there any news? Because maybe we did call that trade during the news session. Yes, during the call retail sales. That was good for dollar. I'm going to put this video, the session we had, sir, I'm on it and is in profit. Instead of sending directly to me, just send it to the group generally. Nobody's gonna take your profit away from you. You understand what I'm saying? So if someone said, "Sir, I'm on it," and it's in profit. Sir, I'm on profit on it. Okay, it's still the same thing. I just had to read it word for word. So moving forward, this we took that trade during the core retail sales. What's it called again? Core retail sales live news trading yesterday afternoon, 1:30 p.m. Nigerian time. That's when we took that trade, and so far so good. It is running well. All right. So we see how this goes. I'm also in on this trade. See how it goes. Okay. If it's wrong, worst case scenario, the market is going to turn down and close us out in loss. Loss is not new. Okay, loss is not a new thing, something we have to embrace because you got to make a loss for you to appreciate the profit. If you don't make losses, you won't appreciate the profit. You will think it's a magic. But the moment you taste loss once, twice, third time, you know that every single profit is a blessing in the financial market. And that is exactly why I always tell you to risk a little. So when the profit comes, it can easily cover up your losses and then you get to live happily ever after with the profit you made on this session and this session in the future. Moving forward to NZD/USD, we don't have anything much to say about USDHF. It's already running well. So NZD/USD is a little bit of a drama queen, or let's say it's drama queen. I don't want to use drama king. It's drama something. I want to be gender sensitive as well. So let's just say it's been a drama weird individual. Drama. Someone should please tell me what to do because the world is going very funny now. I can't say drama queen without being quite sensitive to everything. Anyways, it's been dramatic. All right, that's what I'm trying to say. Okay, it's been very, very dramatic. And at the same time, I am still leaning towards the bearish momentum of this because I mean it is all in there. It's all written right in front of us. Okay, we have a bearish momentum. It keeps on going to the downside. So this little bit of drama right here, call me to be cutting. I opened 0.08 on this trade. When it came down here, I was in, excuse me, I was in like 1.5% profit and I closed, I think, 0.03. And then when it moved back up, I decided just to close another 0.02. So all I have right now on this particular trade is 0.03. And seriously, I just want to leave that alone because it's been very slow. That's why you see my return on my FX book is just 5% so far this month. I mean, 0.5% so far this month. It's quite small. That's just $25. Okay, so far this month, $25 profit. That is very weird, isn't it? But it's not always about the profit, it's always about understanding what is going on in the market, okay, and getting my skin into the game. In July we made 7%, August 6%, September 3%. I think yes, August, September was very busy with me. For me, I didn't even know I was going to take any profit because I was on the road. I was always in a live session, physical class. Okay, I couldn't pick any trade. But this month I was all prepared and just to find out myself a very ranging pair, both on GU and Kiwi dollar. It's quite unfortunate. So this is the reason why we're having such a very, very unpleasant. That's why I had such a very small, or let's say low return this month so far. But fingers crossed, we still have 2 to 3 weeks left in this month. Anything can still happen. I am looking forward to actually saying we have 2 weeks, not 3 weeks. We have next week and then week after that, and that will be all. All right. So I guess we have to see. We just have to wait patiently. But this trade is currently running in loss. All right. For people that joined right here, well, I joined the trade right here, so it's still in profit for me. Okay, I joined the trade right here, so it's still in profit. For people that joined right here, it should be running in a little bit of a drawdown right now. So don't fret, don't go away. If you don't feel comfortable with the trade again, just close that small loss and go ahead and rest. If you're comfortable with the small loss, just leave it to run its course. Okay, I've told you a couple of times, do not run in and out of trade like a child. Okay, hold on to it, let it do its things, and if it's profit, you will know. If it's not profit, you will know. You understand what I'm saying? So that's that on that one. So NZD/USD is still tradable if you want to take a sell. All right, I'm still quite bearish on it. Until break above here, that's when I am going to start looking on the bullish path. If it goes like this, pull back, go like this, pull back. Now I will start looking for a buy trade. But if it stays below here, okay, under this box right here, I will be looking into sell. Let me put that into a very much better perspective for you. So if I see anything under here, this box I see right here is what is a sell for me. Anything outside of that, above it, from here to here, it becomes a buy trade for me. Okay, don't forget I trade on the 1 hour time frame and I have a pattern I spot and I have my entry plan. I investigate carefully and I take the trade peacefully. I don't run into trade because a break and move here doesn't mean I should start buying. No, I'm not going to do that. I have precept, I have things to look forward to, I have things I wait on before I take a trade. So moving forward to pound dollar. Pound dollar is a pair that kind of closed out this morning because of the retail sales. You have 2 new subscribers on YouTube. Oh, thank you very much, McDonald Okoye. That's good. Please keep it going, keep it going. I told you, all right, as many people as you recommend and you share your link, believe me, I hope there's a way I know. If you actually share with many people and then they subscribe, just come to my DM, send me a message. I just need us to take it to 200 subscribers, and I believe YouTube algorithm will take care of the rest. Okay, but you guys should help me take it to 200 subscribers. And then, the videos, the work we do here, because of the legitimacy of the work we do here, I believe the universe, God, everything we work together, I'm taking to 500,000 subscribers in like maybe the next 500 years. But one way or the other, right? I just need 8 people already subscribed from my school. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going, guys. Let's keep it going. So moving forward, pound dollar, close all out in loss, or let me say close me out in loss. But we are trading together, so let's make it close us out in loss because of the news. But I'm still quite bearish on this one. And I wouldn't mind to see the market break below here, pull back again. I will give sell another shot. Okay. I will give sell another shot. And let me draw that out in a much better view so you all understand what I'm trying to say. I'm going to delete this. It's useless now. All right. So I want to see the market come back down here. Probably pull back a little bit and then I'll look for another sell. Because right here, you see, what do we have here? We have more like a flag pattern. Okay, a flag pattern kind of pullback. All right, so right there we have a little bit of a flag pattern pullback, and then I can as well just adjust my trend line to this. Okay, to something like this. Maybe I'm just gonna put this right here until a proper structure is broken. This is how I like to draw my trend line. Okay, I want the price to stay below my trend line. Okay, until it is successfully broken. The moment a structure is broken, pullback, break, pullback, definitely I'll draw my trend line. That means this trend line is no more useful. You can see when this particular trend line ends. Started drawing another one. And this one was a very steep move, all right, before it now dropped back. So I don't want the market to be piercing through so many levels. That's why I'm putting it at a more distinctive place, all right, this way. All right, but let's put it like this. At the same time, I don't want the price to actually pierce through it too much. So it won't be confusing to many beginners that will be watching this video later, probably on YouTube or even to you guys that you're watching right now. So I'm just gonna put it like this. But you all know what I'm looking for. And I know what I'm looking for, which is the most important thing. Okay, I'm waiting for this to actually play out. If it play out this way, why not? I'm going to take a sell trade soon as possible. And if, okay, and peradventure, the market break to the top like this, right at the top here, I'll start looking for buy. Whatever happened below here, I'm not interested in buying until it breaks above here. That is the only time I can confirm my zigzag pattern and I can start taking a buy trade moving forward. I thought we have to finish this session before 9:30. So we've got to run now. So euro dollar seems to be the only major pair that makes the best sense when it comes to trending to the downside. It's the only one, and some of us took this trade. As a matter of fact, right now we should be adjusting our trailing stop to this previous lower high. All right. And what is the coordinate again? I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it right here. Yes, paste. And that's all. So we have our trailing stop properly adjusted right now. And it looks really good. Okay. It looks very, very good. So that is that. On euro dollar, there's nothing much to say on euro dollar. Still quite bearish. All I can anticipate for now is just a much drop to the downside. And I want to see the market probably drop all the way down to this particular zone, which is around, where is that again? That should be 1.0780. That will be a very good one. This trade is 1/3.3% profit. So that is a very good trade right there. Let's keep a close tab on it. Let's watch it very closely. And let's see how we can leverage this and make a good, better profit from it today. Moving forward to Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar also pulled back very heavy this morning. I'm not yet looking for a buy trade. It's not ready yet. I have a couple people that are sending it to me that, okay, let's take a buy. I mean, why would you want to take a buy? You can say the market is still quite bearish. It's still below here. I mean, don't you know how to draw a structure again? Don't take a buy yet, okay? As a matter of fact, if this eventually get cut off, okay, cut off like this, and I get a pullback, I will still look for a sell trade, to be honest with you. Okay, come on, man. This is a very decent bearish momentum. All right, I know the 4-hour band, it's already broken some level. It's low. It looks like maybe it's going to break structure. It's going to go back up. Yes, when it starts going up, I will follow. But right now, it is not ready. To me, it is not ready. So if it's going to be ready to me, I want to see the market break above here, pull back, break above here, pull back. Then right here, I will start investigating for a buy trade. This is where I will start looking for a buy trade. Okay, not here, not here, not even here, and not even inside here until you pull back. Okay, that's when I'll start looking for a buy trade. Don't forget a zigzag pattern. It's very important to me. So right now, the trade is still a little bit of a drawdown. Let's leave it there. As a matter of fact, how many pip stop losses is this? 25 pip stop loss. If I can, let's even make it 30 pips. Okay, that's where it was actually before I reduced it. I think yesterday or the day before yesterday. All right, so 30 pips is fine. Let's give it some room to run. Okay, I still believe in the trade, to be honest. But if it's a bad trade, at least one way or the other is going to prove us wrong. Okay, it is going to prove us wrong one way or the other. But for now, let's give it enough room to run and let's leave it alone. Moving forward to the next pair in line, which is my top 2 setup. Those are the trade. The trade I just analyzed to you are the trade that we have running right now. These ones are the ones that we are looking forward to take or to trade in the coming days or coming week moving forward. So I'm going to be starting with USD CAD. And I told you guys that USD CAD looks very similar to DXY. As you can see, the market form higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then it came all the way back to previous low, and then it formed another shoulder right here, breakdown here. Instead of us to see a pullback and a rebound to the downside, no, that wasn't the case. The market just went up. All right. So right now, the bullish momentum is still there. Okay. Even despite all of this drop, okay, this drop. Okay, we already have our zigzag pattern, but don't forget I already said after the zigzag pattern, I wait for pullback, I investigate right here. Imagine when you see this, you just took a sell. This would have been a what? A loss. That's why I don't rush into trade. I'm always very, very patient. Okay, always very, very patient. So what am I going to do now? You've seen the market break above here, the structural pullback, up, down. So right now, if I see any candle that closes above here, I will probably take a buy. All right, but the target is going to be right at the top here. Okay, I'll probably take a buy right above here. Okay, you just have to be patient as a trader. It's as simple, as logical as that. Okay, patience, patience, patience. So what am I going to do right now is I'm going to put an alert at the top here right now. So if the market decided to do what, you can see what was drawn here, I think day before yesterday or thereabout. I think it was yesterday doing the card. No, it was yesterday doing the retail sales. Right, the plan was to see the market to break up, pull back, up again, pull back, and then we take it back. Right, and this has already what I just explained has played out. So what I'm waiting for now is what the market to retest the split very well, and then up to the top. And I think that will be happening very soon enough. So all I'm waiting for now is the candlestick that closes above this particular structure at the top there, and then I am going for the Q. So entry right at the top there, better entry right at the top there. That is the plan on USD CAD. But today is Friday, all right? Take it easy. Don't stretch it too much. Take it easy. Today is Friday, all right? You don't need to stretch it. You don't need to force it. All we have to do is just to be patient today. Don't forget, again and again, today is Friday. Be patient, be calm, all right? And let's see if we can make a very good trade today. But don't forget, once again, today is what? Today is Friday. Moving forward. So Euro CHF seems to be going back up a little bit this morning. This is very dramatic. And I guess, this second trade right here that we had set right here, see how that goes. Don't forget, guys, I'm not in Euro CHF. Someone on this call actually asked for this until you close out in loss or in profit. That's when I'm going to remove it and remove it from my watch list. Actually, I don't pick this trade. I don't trade Euro CHF at all. I don't trade anything that's not USD CHF. Anything that doesn't have dollar involved, I don't trade it. Okay, I don't literally trade it, and especially not on this call. Actually, not on this call. Anyways, moving forward, the Euro CHF still looks good for itself. I told you earlier that if it stays below the structure right here, to me, it's still quite bearish. If it breaks above there, pull back nicely, then we can start looking for what a buy trade right at the top here. Okay, but anything below that, as a matter of fact, even right here, the bearish momentum can still actually play a little bit of a game right at the top there. Okay, just right at the top here. Okay, the bearish momentum can still play a very big role right here. Okay, in this zone right here, this supply zone right here. If the market tap it, the price will fall again. Okay, so I would say break, pull back right here. Start looking for buy trade. All right, it's much better that way. I like just a better simple trade. By that time, all the fundamental indicator, all the tools people use to span the chart, to look for the strength, to screen the market, all of them would have probably aligned together, and then you'll be looking for a buy trade on Euro CHF as well. So for me, I'm still bearish on it. Moving forward. So Aussie yen. Aussie yen yesterday, we analyzed it. Someone asked from me, and I said there's a possibility that this could break to the upside, and it looks like it's going to happen sooner or later. So let's wait for this to happen, to be honest. Okay. If it's going to break to the upside, it's going to break. If it's not going to break, I guess this particular zone right at the top here, we keep the price away from breaking to the top and probably continue inside what? Inside this triangle pattern. Okay. That is, I think, symmetrical triangle or something of some sort. All right, so that's that. Anyways, so moving forward to the next pair, which is Euro GBP. Euro GBP also dropped a little bit this morning because of the news. I told you I'm no more interested in this pair, to be honest. Okay, I'm no more interested. And let's see, once it breaks below here, okay, yes, let's see, okay, once this particular structure is broken, let's see what happened. I think it's broken already. Let's see what happened afterwards. Okay, let's see what happened afterwards. Okay, maybe we can look for a sell trade. All right, but for now, whatever happens there, maybe I might not even take it today. Today's Friday. Okay, the week's already over, so I might not be able to take it this today. But let's see what happened today at the end of the day. Okay, then Monday we circle back and see if we can get a very good sell opportunity on Euro GBP. There's no more news today in my. So as far as I can see, there's no more serious news that pertains to pound, okay, or even euro. So I guess maybe by next week we should see some very good move or entry or even tradable opportunity on Euro GBP next week. So as far as gold is concerned, gold made a new all-time high. Hallelujah. Okay, made a new all-time high, fresh new all-time high at the top. And gold is doing its things. So let's leave it like that. I told you I'm not interested in gold for now. I'm watching it very closely. There's so many opportunities to buy. But for me, right now, I am not quite interested in gold. Moving forward to GJ. GJ also made a drop. I mean, a very big jump to the upside due to the retail sales in the United Kingdom. I guess that's still there, but I'm still quite bullish. I'm still bent on my entry right at the top there. Clear break to the upside, a pullback, continuation. I will look for a buy trade right at the top there. So I've been waiting on this trade for like 2 months now. I mean, a month, basically, since 25th of September. That's when I've been waiting for this buy trade. And it's not giving me the vibe. I don't want to get myself into all this and then start paying swap. Yeah, I don't want to be paying swap fee anyhow. So I'm just being patient right now. So lastly, guys, let's talk about Bitcoin. I think I'm on time. It's 9:30. So Bitcoin, I joined a buy trade right at the top there. It's quite young and new. See how this goes. But right now, it's staying comfortably above $67,000. Bitcoin is staying comfortably as above $67,500. It's currently at 67,880 something, based on what I can see right there. So it's staying comfortably at 67,500, okay, on an average. So let's see if it's going to continue to go up, probably test 73K this week or before the end of this month. Or maybe it's just going to come back and continue the whole show, the whole range from here. Maybe it's just going to continue this range. But overall, I think with the Middle East tension and some other things going on around the globe, and then United States election, and Donald Trump also promised that he's going to be leaning towards cryptocurrency and stuff like that. So I guess maybe that was going to help, and that's going to help the Bitcoin bull run, maybe. Maybe just going to tank it up. I don't know, but we see. To be honest, we see. Right, so that was my trade on Bitcoin. I'm still buying, I'm holding for now. Let's see how it goes. This is a very short position. And don't forget, make sure you apply your risk management. So right now we have USD JPY running in profit. We have USD CHM running in profit as well. We have what's it called again? Kiwi dollar in a little bit of a loss. So we have Kiwi dollar in a little bit of a loss. We have pound dollar. We're still planning on pound dollar after it closes out already. So we're waiting for another sell opportunity on pound dollar. And then euro dollar is still running in a very good profit right now. Aussie dollar in a little bit of a loss as well. Okay, so those are the trade we have running right now. We have UJ, USDC, HF, euro dollar. So those three are in profit. We have Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar, then pound dollar in a loss. All right. So 3 for 3, that's fine. But like I said, guys, don't trade all the three, don't trade all the six. Okay, pick one that resonates with you the most, trade it. Pick one or two that resonate with you the most and trade it. That is how it makes sense. All right. Don't trade everything. On that note, guys, I will see you on Monday. I think that's all. There will be no live news session today because there's no seriousness to even trade or even talk about. So I'll see you guys on Monday. Please have a fabulous day ahead. I love you all. I'll see you. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's very, very important. Okay, I'm going to send the link again. Go ahead and do what and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will see us all tomorrow, Monday. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.